Recommended cheap cameras for YouTube. 1. OBSBot Tail Air. Best overall cheap camera for YouTube. Introducing the best affordable camera for YouTube. OBSBot Tail Air. A cutting-edge AI-powered PTZ. Streaming camera that redefines your live streaming experience. This innovative device, backed by OBSBot's advanced AI algorithm, opens up new possibilities for content creators. Whether you're vlogging, streaming, or capturing dynamic moments in various scenarios, it is packed with useful features like AI auto tracking and AI director grids. Leverage the OBSBot AI algorithm to track humans or objects and divide captured video into real-time grids. This camera is equipped with Gesture Control 2.0, multiple connectivity options, super clear optical craft, and delivers enhanced performance. Price: $499. Sony Alpha A6000. Best compact cheap camera for YouTube. The Sony Alpha A6000 is a powerhouse in a compact cheap camera for YouTube. This mirrorless camera boasts a 24.2 MP back-illuminated, full-frame image sensor, ensuring exceptional image quality, with an ISO range of 102.5600, expandable to 51,200. It performs well in various lighting conditions. Its hybrid AF system combines 179-point phase detection and 25-point contrast detection, enabling lightning-fast autofocus. You can capture action-packed moments with up to 11 FPS continuous shooting. Additionally, the anti-dust system, with a charge protection coating and ultrasonic vibration mechanism, keeps your sensor clean for pristine photos. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a content creator, the Sony Alpha A6000 delivers outstanding performance in a compact and user-friendly design. Price: $395. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. Best cheap camera for YouTube photograph. The Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is a compact mirrorless camera that packs a punch with its advanced features. Its 2-OMP live MOS sensor ensures high-quality image capture, making your photos come to life. What sets this camera apart is its always-on connection and background connection via Bluetooth, which seamlessly connects to the OiShare smartphone app. This feature simplifies transferring and sharing your images, perfect for on-the-go photographers. The camera also offers a 2.0x digital zoom, allowing you to get closer to your subjects without changing lenses. With a variety of hardware interfaces, including micro HDMI and wireless communication technology like Wi-Fi, the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is versatile and adaptable to your creative needs. Price: $699.99.